kamat jing dawa jogi pajba ka jylla bat ka badairu kamat ka balarai lang dakawai kasur ha ka ying dorbar thauan ka jylla ban dawa na ka sarkar India ban pentre kam no ya ka inner line permit u National Secretary ka Bharatiya Janata Party u Rituraj Sinha ulapan pau baka party ka Kmen bha habaya tai halor ka tai kamat habaya kran ba kilat pathai kubor u Rituraj ulapan pau baka jylla Meghalaya kadai ka jylla ka basyanya bha ka kam jungok kai perthai henrei ka smuthu ru baya ka culture ki pajba baya ka rukom im dei bandon ki jingada ka bakarpang.
As regards to inner line permit and other such issues, we are happy to discuss all these issues. We have to look at the pros and the cons. Meghalaya is a state which is heavily dependent on tourists. There are implications of inner line permit on tourism, and tourism directly impacts job creation and earning of people of Meghalaya also. So yes, we understand that the culture of Meghalaya has to be protected, the people and their way of life has to be protected, but at the same time, we also need to balance that with the development aspirations of the state. So BJP is actively considering, and we will bring out more clarity in this matter during our manifesto announcement.